So here is the boiler room. Is it Burns number 2 oil? Is that burner? Big one. Pressure gauge. Pressure valves, or pressure trolls as they're called. The main steam header. There's water sight glass on the side here. Oil filter. Oil pressure. Oil pump. Let me get my phone out. Oh, this is your platinum heat timer. Safety switch. It's funny. Let me get back here. Smoke bonnet. And that is your smoke man or smoke light. And if too much black smoke goes through the flue, it'll shut off the boiler if that light gets dimmed too much. It's the back of the boiler. Other stuff back here. This thing's extremely loud when it goes on. So yeah, freaking goes my camera battery. Still hot. Roughly small boiler compared to some other ones, but it's pretty big. And tank room's on the other side. There's a new door for that, but yeah, that's the boiler. Thanks for watching.